fuck, bro? Yo, what the fuck? Yo, it's about to go to a car show. Look, you see this shit? I know, it's all fucked up. Oh no, this is gonna break. Alright, let's close this buddy before it shatters. Oh my gazebo. Oh, the glass. Oh, the mayhem. Had a power outage? Fuck. Holy. The mayhem. Sorry. Bro. I haven't seen this since like Spring Valley as a kid? Or YouTube? Oh my god. This is crazy. It's like 80 something degrees out. Oh, please survive. Oh my god. This is crazy. Puppy, you wanna go outside? Wow. Yeah, this is crazy. Wow. Alright, part two. It's calming down, but I got a lake, a tree down over there's another tiny tree branch. Oh no, this is bad. It's so foggy. Oh man.